In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your TikTok business account for your brand or company. Whether you're looking to tap into the vast TikTok audience or simply curious about exploring new social media horizons, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. First things first, let's get the TikTok app onto your smartphone. Head over to the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once there, simply search for TikTok and download the app. Once that's done and it's installed, we're ready to dive in. Next, open up the TikTok app. Here, you'll see the option to sign up or log in. If you're new, you can sign up using your email address, phone number, or even link your account through a social media platform like Facebook or Google. For those of you who already have a personal TikTok account, don't worry, you can switch to a business account later on, which we'll cover shortly. Now, let's navigate to the profile settings. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll spot the profile icon. Give it a tap. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right hand corner and select the three-line menu icon, often referred to as the hamburger menu. This will guide you into settings where you can start customizing your account. Are you ready to switch to a business account? Great! In the settings menu, navigate to settings and privacy, then tap on account. Here you will find the option to switch to business account. Select it and you'll be one step closer to unlocking TikTok's business features tailored for brands like yours. Now comes an important part, selecting your business category. TikTok offers various categories to choose from that best represent your business, such as retail, services, or technology. This choice helps tailor the TikTok experience to suit your business needs, ensuring you reach the right audience. Once that's set, complete your profile with relevant business information. This could include adding a business email, a phone number, and any other details that can enhance your profile's credibility. A well-crafted profile communicates professionalism and can attract a larger following. Finally, while this step is optional, registering your business with TikTok is highly recommended. This addition increases your credibility and provides you with more tools and insights that are invaluable for marketing and expanding your reach on the platform. And there you have it. You're now ready to start using TikTok to its fullest potential with your new business account. Explore, create, and connect with your audience in exciting ways and watch your brand grow. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I wish you great success as you step into the vibrant world of TikTok.